The AK is known for its legendary ruggedness and durability. It's also known as a fussy gun to work on, requiring specialized knowledge. In this new series, we'll be sharing with you our best tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your AK. In this first installment of TWS Quick Tips, we'll be removing and reinstalling the relief sight. Join us. I'm going to begin by demonstrating how easy it is to remove that leaf sight and reinstall it. Then, using our cutaway over here, we're going to show you the internal features that makes that possible. Okay. So first, I'm going to turn this guy around. I'm going to take the barrel elevation adjuster and I'm going to put it up at its highest setting. That 1,000-meter setting that nobody ever believes, that's where we're going to set it. I'm going to cover the back of the leaf sight with a rag so that it doesn't go flying off and injure somebody. And then using a short stubby screwdriver, I'm going to install that right there over the axis of rotation. And with my plastic mallet, there we go. Just that easy. Now let's see how quick we can put that right back in where we took it out. Turn that guy around. Now, I'm going to take my barrel adjuster, put it all the way to the bottom, to the lowest setting. I'm going to hold my leaf sight in there at about a 30-degree angle. I'm going to cover this end of it with a rag, again, in case it gets away from us, it doesn't hurt somebody over there. And I'm going to hold it at about a 30-degree angle. Drive it in with our plastic mallet. And there we are. Just that easy. Back in business. All right, now that we've seen just how easy that is, let's take a look at the features inside that make that possible. So before we look into that cutaway, let's first understand the leaf sight itself. One of the problems people will often encounter the first time they do this is that they'll look at the rear sight block and they'll see that axis pin that's right there, and they'll believe that to be a separate piece that has to be pressed out. That's not correct. That axis pin is integral with the leaf sight itself. That's a critical piece of information you need to help you get this out as easily as you just saw. Okay. Now, if we look at the features here in this cutaway piece, I'll first remove the leaf spring and set that aside. Now, there's a couple of important features in here that we need to be observant of. First is the little hole where the axle goes into, and you'll notice it's got two diameters. It's kind of shaped like an old-time keyhole for a skeleton key. It's got a larger 4mm diameter at the bottom and a smaller 3mm diameter at the top. The other feature is this little channel right here, which is cut down at a gentle angle, maybe 15 degrees or so. That little channel is what that integral axis pin will fit into. So as this axis pin slides into that little channel, it goes downwards. Once it hits bottom, the spring that is in there causes that axis pin to spring up and latch into the smaller 3mm part of that little keyhole that's in there. And understanding that is what helps you get this thing in and out as easily as you just saw me do. So let's have another quick look inside of here. Right there, the little channel and the little hole. The axis pin goes in, pops up, locks it in place, and you're good to go. Just that easy. Thanks for joining us on this first installment of TWS Quick Tips. If this tip was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. We've got more tips coming out very soon.